My name is Josefina Nilsson. I'm the CEO of QuTEM. And QuTEM is a service provider for the pharma industry. So we are serving them as a quality control laboratory, working with electron microscopy and image analysis. Our clients are found in different medical areas, like gene therapy, like the conference is about right now, vaccine, oncology, and so on. So what they have in common is that they are working with some kind of nanoparticle that we can analyze with our electron microscopy and image analysis. What we have seen during, let's say, I would say Q1 this year is a lot of, let's say, exciting news, both when it comes to financial as well as great, let's say, scientific news and results. So having gone through a couple of rough years, especially when it comes to financial aspects, I think that we are going through a bright time. We are very excited to be here at the conference to talk about and present our new technology when it comes to the vector content, genome length determination, and how that is related to AAV aggregation. So that is something that is totally new for us in the industry.